What should you do if you're going around looking for any properties and you still can't find any?
So if you're having trouble finding ones, hop on Zillow and look for sale by owner that have been on the market for a while. And then you can head to those areas and that will give you a good starting base of where you should start looking. So it doesn't matter what city you're in, you should be able to find properties that fit that description. And remember, we're finding single family homes that fit this description because that's what CURT has been comfortable with, right? If your mentor specializes in multifamily, you do that. If your mentor specializes in mansions, you do that. So first thing you do is you find a multimillionaire mentor to show you the ropes, and you figure out a win-win situation that helps to, oh my God, cook out. I'm not as hungry now because the sparkling water kicked in. Do you see the number on that one? One down there. It's like super, like there's like landscaping everywhere. I have a feeling it was on our number 17 on our list. I have a feeling that's going to be one of the ones we wholesale. Remember, we're trying to get 3 or 4 wholesale deals, each worth $10,000 to $30,000 in our pockets, and I think that will be one of them. So number 17 on our list. Future Ian, let's see if you're right. Future Ian, I'm manifesting this. Manifesting this property is going to give us $30,000 or more when we pull out in the wholesale deal. After the wholesale deal finishes, $30,000 is going into our business bank account for this property. Thank you so much, universe, for giving this to us. We are so thankful, so happy. Everything works out perfectly. We're going to make 3 or 4 wholesale deals in the next couple of weeks, each of them worth between $10,000 to $30,000, maybe even more. And we're really thankful. Thank you, universe. I'm happy, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy. Just get good feeling. That's the whole point of these meditations. Just get good feeling. It doesn't have to be woo-woo hippie bullshit. Just feel good, right? All right.
Eventually, you don't need no mantra.
You can. It's all about the feeling. A food break after we hit 20 properties. Remember, our goal was 10 to 30, so we got halfway there. We got to 20. So let's do 10 more and hit our full 30 to show that we're committed, we're hardworking. And then these 30 deals will probably turn into 3 to 4 wholesaling contracts where we make $10,000 to $30,000 on each. So let's stay tuned with this. And then after we do that, we will go to the library and build out our lists. So when you're working your butt off, you can get tired, you can get stressed, take a little break, do some stretching, meditate, go for a walk, do something, get out of this funk you're in, and then get back on the hunt, right? The whole point of this is to inspire you to achieve anything you want. We started with no money, just door dashing, and we found a real estate mentor. Now we're closing some wholesale deals, and we just keep growing and growing and growing. And then we'll set up some passive income streams, make money while we sleep, and have fun with it. Remember, gamify life. We're playing the doubling game, double the amount of money you have to make each day. It's gonna get you out of your mindset of, oh, I only have this 9 to 5 job. No, you gotta be like, how do I make $10,000 today? Is that one?
That's like one, almost.
We'll go backwards. Good call. This yellow one?
Yeah, it don't look like no car has been in the driveway.
This looks like an old lady used to own it. We'll give it a shot.
It just look abandoned to me. I can smell it.
All right, yeah, if you pick it up. It's the energy, so if you get the energy of that, that's what it meant. What is this, 9:36? All right, still in reverse. All right, let's go.
On the grind.
Having fun, manifest success. Breaking news, we are finding properties to wholesale and fix up. Make the area more beautiful. And when we fix up the area, all the other homes increase in value. So everybody thanks us for increasing the home's value. Oh, here's our house. You clearly there was a bad eviction here. Let's not get murdered here, so let's do a quick 5-minute clip. So here's a potential property we're looking at. It looks like it was boarded up. Maybe it was evicted because someone wrote mean spray paint on it. So this might be a property we can purchase. So yeah, look for opportunities like this around your area. Blur the numbers in case we end up using this, but yeah. Bleep. We just found our 30-ish properties that we're gonna try to cold call and land a wholesale deal on a few of them. I'm feeling a little tired, but we have more work to do. We have to send the list over, start compiling it, getting the names, the numbers, and then we also have to do our other challenge where we're setting up mansion tours. So we gotta cold call 100 real estate agents in one day. We're gonna probably try to do that tomorrow, I'd say, if we don't do the cold calling for the wholesale list. And we'll keep growing and growing and achieving greatness. And remember, take daily consistent action, even if it's just 10 to 30 minutes per day, and you'll achieve greatness in your life. I love you all. Happy dreaming, everyone. Too much time in the car hunting for deals. We gotta keep our health in order too. Remember, equally health, wealth, and happiness. Oh, my lower back. We gotta feel it. All this aging is no fun. You know, aging is just your cells reproducing. And once every 7 years, you have completely new cells than you did. So you're a completely new person every 7 years. Fun facts. Oh man. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day for a neighbor. Getting the abs in place. Help out. Oh.
Health, wealth,
happiness. Health, wealth. These are becoming easier and easier with the intermittent fasting. I used to only be able to do one.
and now you can do a trillion.
Oh yeah. All right, let's walk around a bit. I'm trying to get my lower back moving more because it's been sedentary all day. Finding these wholesale deals. Who said driving for dollars was easy? We did. We said we would do 10 to 30 deals. How many did we do? 42? I'd say we're overachievers. We want Kurt's mind to be blown. He's like, wow, I'm glad I chose these people as our protege. We take action. We don't play around, except when we do. Health, wealth, happiness. I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm happy. Science says meditation helps you align with a new reality because you take different action from your new thoughts. So meditation is not woo-woo hippie BS. It's science-backed. Science. Visualize success. Be your success. Live in that success. Be it already. Even if you're poor, even if you're broke, you got no money. Imagine you're a billionaire and walk around like that. And then you can be anything. If you can't afford a car and you have to ride the bus, imagine that bus is a limo and you have a professional chauffeur driving you around going zoom, zoom, zoom. Kurt said we should find 10 to 30 properties that we could potentially do a wholesale deal. So we're overachievers. We found more than 40 properties. So we're gonna send those to him right now. And then he's gonna give us a cold calling script to use tomorrow when he gives us the list of names and numbers. Remember, once you find properties that are vacant, derelict, or mismanaged, you wanna snag a picture of them and the address and then make a friend with a real estate agent. They can then backtrack the property, see who owns it, and find their phone number. Then you get that name and phone number, and then you follow a simple script and get that under contract, I believe, and then find a cash buyer, and then you close the deal, and then you make $10,000 to $30,000 per wholesale deal. How cool is that? So we have 40 deals. Let's try to get 3 to 5 wholesale contracts out of this. Let's make 6 figures this month. How cool would that be? We made 6 figures this month, starting from zero, starting door dashing just last week. How crazy is that? We're only on week 2, day 2. This is going crazy fast. When you manifest success, when you have fun, when you enjoy yourself, we might fail, we might succeed, but we're gonna have fun because life's a game, can't you see? Yep, team of motivated workers. All right, so now we found our deals. We're gonna call our mentor, get some advice for next steps, and then we'll continue on our journey. Hopefully you can hear this. We're outside, and we'll put it on speakerphone. I guess we don't have any signal out here. Well, we'll find a place that has signal first.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey Kurt, I know you said we needed to find 10 to 30 wholesale deals. We found over 40, so we're ready to go. We're motivated. Nice. So now the next step after you find the deals is we need a real estate agent who can backtrack the names and phone numbers. So Kurt, are you able to handle those names and phone numbers?
Yeah, I should be able to help you out with most of these.
Great. And after we do that, we're then going to cold call them. And if you're taking the course, there's a cold calling script you can follow. Kurt, on your course, you have a cold call script for sale by owner signs. Can you make a quick one for derelict properties?
Yeah, let me look at the script that I have on there. If I need to bang out a quick alternative one, I can do that.
Perfect. And the updated script will be in the course when you take this. Link in description. All right, Kurt, thanks for the call. Let us know when you find the names and numbers and if you got the new script. What we'll do is tomorrow, we'll start cold calling everybody.
I will do. Perfect.
All right, talk to you later, Kurt. Have a great day.
See you. Thanks.
I'm feeling good. We got a mentor. He's excited. We found so many deals for him. He's gonna backtrack the names and numbers, and then he's gonna update the script for us based on the properties we found. That's the power of having a multi-millionaire mentor. MMM, multi-millionaire mentor, alliteration. All right, so let's head out and go on to the next journey. Now we have to find real estate agents where they're selling mansions that are having trouble selling, that they don't have a video for. And we're gonna be like, hey, we have an asset, we have videographers, editors, we'll make you a professional video promo. So we find a list of 100 agents who are selling mansions that are having trouble selling in our local area. And we're gonna call each one of them up one by one. We're gonna email them, we're gonna text them, we're gonna follow up, just like Ryan Serhant says, is the name of the game. And then we're gonna offer a sweet holiday deal, because when we're doing this, it's December, but you can offer any type of deal. You can say, we're doing a special offer for you. Normally it's $1,000 and we'll give it to you for $500, or normally it's $750 and we'll give it to you for $500. Okay, so those are the deals we're gonna set up. Remember, don't have all your eggs in one basket. We got the genius CURT mentoring us on Wholesale. He's also probably gonna partner with us on some multifamily BRRRR deals. And then we got the mansion tours. So we got 3 avenues to make money. And of course, we always have our lucky DoorDash. So if you need help, if you want to learn how to real estate wholesale deals or BRRRR deals, go ahead and click that link in the description. You can check out CURT's amazing course that we're taking right now. And if you want mentorship from us, we offer one-on-one coaching. Check out foreverlucid.com. That's foreverlucid.com. And we'll help you manifest success too. You are important. You matter. I love you.